Elon Musk, I will buy GM. Tesla's zero-emission electric cars are designed to improve and make our planet more livable. However, it has also been asserted that they are not moving as quickly as they ought to, in part because they lack the factories necessary to build as many automobiles as they would like. The greatest alternative would be to purchase a business with factories spread out across many locations, and if such a business is accessible, it is GM Motors. One of the largest automakers in the world for some time now is GM, but they haven't been able to catch up with the introduction of electric automobiles. Plans by Elon Musk to acquire the business are definitely feasible, but will he actually follow through? Given that Musk and GM have been at odds for a while, he may decide to purchase GM in order to make a point. If there is one thing about Musk, it is that he never fails to surprise. Some of the plants that General Motors recently announced it planned to close might be of interest to Tesla. General Motors announced that it would eliminate 5 plants in North America, including one in Ontario, as part of a bigger restructuring effort in 2019. The company's Ontario plant shutdown was predicted to result in the loss of 2,500 employees. In a video that CBS posted online before the interview aired, Musk was asked if he would be interested in buying some of those GM facilities. Musk said, "It's possible we'd be interested in buying the facility if they decided to sell or stop utilizing it." He made it clear that he supports the decision made by rival automakers to increase their investment in electric vehicle technology in the same conversation with Leslie Stahl. He asserted that Tesla's sole goal was to speed the creation of electric cars and other environmentally beneficial modes of transportation. "We wish to safeguard the environment because we believe it is to be humanity's biggest problem." The Lordstown factory, which had been in operation for more than 50 years, was set to stop production in the first quarter of 2019. The closure was a part of a larger GM strategy that also involved ending the production of the Chevy Cruze in Lordstown and laying off more than 14,000 workers in North America in the coming months. Concerns over GM's plans to dismantle many factories and remove 14,000 jobs were expressed by lawmakers, labor activists, and localities. Sources claim that GM's choice was critical for the company's future as it competed with rivals like Tesla, advanced ecology, and changing consumer preferences. Tesla would not be the first due to the potential site closure. When a former GM factory in California had to close in 2010 as a result of the recession, Musk seized the opportunity and bought the Fremont facility for $42 million. His aspirations to purchase GM were announced not too long after his failed attempt to acquire Twitter. It's startling that he may be considering purchasing something else at this time. However, if GM were for sale, we can be sure that Musk would be tempted to purchase it, even if it were only a form of retaliation against GM's automakers. He had conflicts with GM and several of their high-ranking employees throughout most of 2021, which makes it evident why, despite the fact that both businesses manufacture cars, their organizational structures and goals are very different. Most significantly, Tesla prohibits unionization, a practice that GM is well known for. Although Musk has many good reasons to oppose unionization, U.S. President Joe Biden, who has repeatedly refused to acknowledge Tesla as an EV manufacturer, has not been amenable to his stance. Instead, he complimented General Motors and CEO Mary Barra for their efforts on EVs and positioned them as a group pushing America into a world where EVs predominate. These comments infuriated Musk, who found them to be very offensive. Tesla shipped 1 million electric vehicles in 2021, compared to GM's fewer than 25,000, whose manufacturer of the Chevy Volt and Chevy Bolt EUV was forced to halt over safety concerns. Additional automobiles, such as the Cadillac Lyriq and the GMC Hummer EV, an electric variation of the popular Hummer pickup, are now produced by the illustrious company. Therefore, GM's financial results ought to increase in 2022. However, the leader in the electric vehicle market, Tesla, opened 2 new factories in 2022, one of which is in Austin, Texas. More than 1.5 million vehicles will be delivered, according to Musk. In addition, given their current rate of production, they are likely to outperform expectations despite supply chain issues and the Shanghai facility's extended closure. Tesla and Musk supporters, who have likewise never been able to see why Biden awarded the GM and Barra the praises they feel should have gone to Tesla and Musk, frequently highlight the disparities between the two businesses. While ignoring Musk and Tesla for a year, President Joe Biden hailed the automobiles of GM and other market giants, and Musk hasn't yet come to terms with this, as seen by most of his recent criticisms of GM and, indirectly, the president. Musk currently holds a market share of more than 60% in the United States and sells more electric vehicles than any other company. The CEO of General Motors, however, followed through on a brazen challenge she previously issued to Elon Musk by announcing that her business would sell the most electric vehicles in the US by 2025. With such a huge advantage, it appears unlikely that Tesla would be surpassed very soon.